Okay, question 3. The first thing we've got to do is express this in this form. This is called completing the square. We've just got 1x squared, so this is about the simplest case. If you've forgotten how to do this, then look at examples in your notes, which you will have. Okay, then in part 2, having done that, we're now looking at y equals this. So it doesn't say hence, but clearly we need to be looking at this form. So y is going to equal this, and you should know how to use these two numbers to read off the vertex. Okay. And it's kind enough to tell you that's the same thing as the minimum point. Then in part 3, write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the curve. Well, if you know the vertex, we're going to be sketching it, are we? No, we're not. But if you are sketching it, then the vertex is clearly related to the line of symmetry. So make sure we give an equation. So something is going to equal something. And having found the vertex, you've got all the information you need. Okay, again, an example in your notes will help clarify that if you don't know what I'm talking about. And then finally, describe geometrically the transformation that maps this to this. So there is only one kind of transformation you'll have to use in core 1. And that is another word beginning trans, but not transformation. And when we're describing it, okay, we need to use a column vector. So it is a something by the column vector, and you need to fill in the details of that. And once again, it's the numbers from the vertex that you need to use to do that. Okay. And then finally, we've got to determine, again, re-entry points all over the place here. So if you've got stuck on any of these individual parts in A, you can still do the other ones, and you can certainly do part B. The coordinates of the points of intersection, trigger word, that means we need to set up and solve simultaneous equations. So we're looking for two equations. Oh, look, they give us an equation here. They give us an equation here. Okay, they're both y equals, so substituting one into the other is a very simple process. It gives us a quadratic equation to solve. You're going to get two values for x, and then for each value of x, you're going to get a y value. Okay, and then we need to pair up the x's with y's. It wants coordinates, so you should give your answer in the form coordinates with the x paired with the y, and there'll be another point x paired with y. Okay, hope that helps on that one.